Air Jordan 1s for under $150. Let's go. I want to give you guys some affordable Air Jordan 1 options. The best Air Jordan 1s you guys can buy for under $150. Sneakers can be very expensive, so I want to give you guys a very good price point. Under $150, Air Jordan 1s. If you guys do enjoy this video, please make sure you guys smash that like button. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I want to start off with an honorable mention, the Air Jordan 1 Brotherhood. I'm giving this an honorable mention because I'm not a huge fan of this sneaker. The colorway, I think it's a little loud. It is not for everybody. However, quality is there. The leather is very soft, as well as the story with this sneaker representing Michael Jordan's fraternity. That's why we have the purple and gold. If you like these, you guys can buy these for under $130, $140 right now on the market. I think this is a very clean Air Jordan 1, and they do have that beautiful Nike Air on the tongue. Buy these if you like them. Now, this pair of Air Jordan 1s does come in your black and red OG box. This is the Air Jordan 1 Bordeaux. This color is not something we get often on Jordans, and I think these go hard. The silver swoosh pops, and you do have a jeweled Air Jordan Wings logo. Beautiful Nike Air, and they come with Bordeaux laces on them, as well as white laces. I think white laces would really make this sneaker pop and make them look good. I think this is a unique color and something you're not gonna see someone wear each and every day. I think this is a unique sneaker, and the price is really low. You can get these for around $150, which is a really nice price point. I think these are sleeper Air Jordan 1s. Don't sleep on the Bordeaux's. We have another sleeper Air Jordan 1 that you guys can buy right now for around $150. You might be able to find them lower than $150. I'm sure you guys can find discounts on these. This is a great pair of Air Jordan 1s and reminds me of two other very expensive Air Jordan 1s. We have to get into these. These are fire. We have the Heritage Air Jordan 1, a black, red, and white Air Jordan 1 going for about $150 or less is crazy. Of course, these remind everybody of the Travis Scott Fragment highs because of the color blocking, but they're also very similar to the Bread Air Jordan 1. Wherever you have black on the Bread one, you have white on the Heritage. It's very clean, it's wearable, and they're at a great price right now. Nike Air on the tongue. This is the style, the cuts that we love, and they have really nice solid materials. As far as the leather quality, it's very soft throughout the sneaker. The black, red, and white colors are classic, they're iconic, and I loved the way they mashed them up on the Heritage Air Jordan 1. You do have the red laces, white laces, black laces on them already. Tons of options, tons of different styles you can wear these. This is a really good everyday sneaker. They're easy to clean, they're wearable. Black, red, and white, you can't go wrong. Don't sleep and don't forget about the Heritage Air Jordan 1 for under $150. That's crazy. This pair of Air Jordan 1s is the cheapest pair of Air Jordan 1s in this video. They're going for around $120, $130. They come in the traditional Jordan 1 box, Nike Air on the tongue, and quality is very nice on this Air Jordan 1. However, I'm not a huge fan of the colorway, but I know some of you guys might really like these, and the quality definitely is there. But if you like the Light Fusion Red Air Jordan 1, go ahead and cop. They're at a steal of a price. The fact that you can get an Air Jordan 1 High OG with good quality, nice colors, bright colors, Nike Air on the tongue for $120, $130, it's a steal. It's a really good price point. You can't really beat it. It's a nice Jordan 1 if you want to stand out, be loud, and you have a bunch of laces to go with these as well. You could swap them out and really do your thing. This next pair of Air Jordan 1s is gonna cost you around $150. It might be slightly over, but I definitely think it's worth it. This Air Jordan 1 is a mash of colors, all fall vibes, something unique, different. You're not gonna see everybody pull these out all of the time. These are unique, they're out there. The handcrafted Air Jordan 1. I truly like these because of the mashup of colors. I think this is a perfect fall sneaker. You have Bordeaux on the back, brown, you have some green, and some silver 3M right there, as well as more brown around the toe, and this cream color. I think these go really hard. The details on these are unique, and I want to show you guys that. You do have the Air Jordan Wings logo there, which is very big and looks kind of handcrafted on there, which I think is really nice. And you do have a quilted sock liner, something we don't normally get on our Air Jordan 1s. The shade of brown is perfect, very nice on this sneaker, and it is in this brown nubuck suede. I think it's very soft to the touch, and it does change colors. You guys can see right there the color change, very, very nice to the touch. When you take a picture with flash, that 3M is going to pop off and be bright, and it makes the sneaker stand out. And I like that touch a lot. This is a really good everyday fall type vibe. Even though we have a mashup of different colors, I definitely think it's still a very wearable, easy to pull off sneaker because of the tones that they are. So they are going for around 150, maybe 160. I think it is worth it, and definitely a clean Air Jordan 1 that's easy to clean as well with that black bottom. Definitely seals the deal and makes it a very wearable, clean, easy to throw on shoe. Don't sleep. And don't forget about the handcrafted. I think these are very underrated. This is my favorite pair of Air Jordan 1s in this entire video. You can buy these for about retail $130, $140. Awesome price point for an awesome pair of Air Jordan 1s. These Air Jordan 1s are fire, straight fire. My favorite pair in this video. I got these Air Jordan 1s from Lee Barron. They are a great retailer. They do phone orders. They're over on Instagram. I'll leave a link down below. Check them out. Lee Barron. If you guys need a suit, a tux, a tie, make sure you guys check out Lee Barron. The link is down below in the description. Lee Barron is a retail store. They sell your favorite Jordans and Nike products, all for retail. So make sure you guys check them out. It's a retail store that I'm sure you never heard about. Well, now I'm putting you guys on. Check them out, link down below. Let's get into these fire, straight fire Air Jordan 1s for under 150. My favorite pair on this list. These are crazy. I haven't even opened these yet. These are insane. Oh yes, the Air Jordan 1 Bleached Coral Low. These are insane. I love these. These are going straight to feet. The Bleached Coral pink color is very, very nice on this sneaker. It's not too light. It's not too dark. It's honestly the perfect tone in my opinion, where it's wearable for pretty much everybody. I think it's very clean, and they do have this cracked black leather. The nubuck on the toe and the back heel are so soft in that bleached coral. You do have Nike Air. This is the Air Jordan 1 Low OG. They do come with black laces on them, as well as some pink laces, the bleached coral laces as well. Black outsole, white midsole, black swoosh. These go hard. And you do have the pink insole with the Nike Air, the bleached coral. This is crazy. I highly recommend buying these. If you're looking to stand out a little, but not too much, but still have like a muted sneaker, I think this is it. This is a really good price point for this sneaker, and I definitely see the market eventually creeping up on them, so watch out. Buy these before it's too late. On the back heel, you do have the Air Jordan Wings logo. These go crazy. These are very nice and wearable and remind me so much of the rust pink Air Jordan 1s. I personally have been loving Air Jordan 1 lows a lot lately. I really dig them. I think they're very clean, wearable. You still get the Air Jordan 1, but in half, and I really like them. I think they're comfortable, they're clean. Go true to size on your Air Jordan 1s. Every sneaker in this video, go true to size on. These are clean, these go hard, they're at a good price point, and I am excited to toss these straight on feet. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. Also, leave a comment down below. Let me know your favorite Air Jordan 1, the best Air Jordan 1 you can buy for $150 or less. If you guys get this video up to 500 likes, we'll do a part 2. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.